So everything outside looks like it survived well and no damage, but this is the thing about off-roading. Got some cleanup to do. Time to get out the goodies. So after everything's wiped down, vacuumed up, next step is to apply the Speed Interior Detailer. Spray it on the towel. Get ready to wipe down your surfaces, and then once you get everything set up, it's just flip it over to the dry side and kind of buff it out. And that gives you that nice satin finish and making sure everything's protected and clean. So there we go. A little bit of elbow grease, the right materials from Mother's Waxes and Polishes, and I have a truck that doesn't look like it's been off-roading.